The midsize truck segment has long been dominated by one undisputed champion, the Toyota Tacoma. For 2026, Toyota has not just updated a truck, they've reimagined an entire driving experience that bridges professional utility, adventure capability, and everyday comfort with unprecedented sophistication. This makes the all-new 2026 Toyota Tacoma turns heads in the automotive world. Powertrain. Toyota's engineering prowess shines brightest in the 2026 Tacoma's powertrain options. The base 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine represents a quantum leap in performance engineering. In its standard configuration, the engine delivers 228 horsepower and 243 pound-feet of torque, providing robust performance for everyday driving and light work demands. For drivers seeking more aggressive performance, Toyota offers an enhanced version of the same engine in higher trim levels. This tuned variant pumps out an impressive 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. The performance boost translates to a spirited 0 to 60 mph acceleration in just over 7 seconds, remarkable for a mid-sized truck that prioritizes practicality and efficiency. Transmission options continue to set the Tacoma apart in a market increasingly dominated by automatic-only offerings. While the sophisticated 8-speed automatic transmission provides smooth, refined shifting with intelligent gear selection, Toyota has retained the 6-speed manual transmission. This decision caters directly to driving enthusiasts who crave a more connected, engaging driving experience. A rarity in contemporary automotive design, the hybrid powertrain represents the pinnacle of Tacoma's technological innovation. By integrating the 2.4-liter turbocharged engine with an advanced electric motor and battery system, Toyota has created a powertrain that delivers 326 horsepower and an extraordinary 465 pound-feet of torque. The hybrid's low-end torque characteristics make it exceptionally capable for towing and off-road adventures, providing instant power response across diverse driving conditions. Fuel efficiency remains a critical consideration, and the 2026 Tacoma delivers impressive numbers. The standard gasoline model achieves approximately 20 miles per gallon in city driving and 26 miles per gallon on highways, competitive figures in the mid-size truck segment. The hybrid variant elevates efficiency further, delivering up to 23 miles per gallon in urban environments, while maintaining highway efficiency comparable to its gasoline counterpart. Suspension and ride quality. The 2026 Tacoma marks a significant departure from traditional truck suspension design. Toyota has replaced the conventional solid axle and leaf spring rear suspension with an advanced coil suspension system, representing a paradigm shift in ride quality and handling dynamics. This engineering marvel allows the Tacoma to absorb road imperfections with unprecedented smoothness, setting a new standard for mid-size truck ride comfort. The coil suspension provides enhanced stability, improved weight distribution, and a more car-like driving experience without compromising the truck's fundamental utility and strength. An important nuance in the suspension design is its application across different cab configurations. Double cab models receive the full coil suspension treatment, delivering superior ride quality and handling. Extra cab variants retain leaf spring configurations, optimizing them for work-oriented applications and maintaining maximum payload capacity. Towing capabilities remain a critical metric for truck buyers. The 2026 Tacoma offers a maximum towing capacity of 6,500 pounds with the Turbo 4 engine, while the hybrid variant maintains a robust 6,000-pound towing capacity. These figures, while not segment-leading, represent a solid performance envelope suitable for most recreational and professional towing needs. Versatility. Toyota's 2026 Tacoma represents a revolutionary approach to truck design, acknowledging that modern drivers require a vehicle that seamlessly transitions between professional utility and personal adventure. By offering two distinct cab configurations, the work-oriented extra cab and the family-friendly double cab, Toyota provides unprecedented flexibility. The extra cab caters to contractors and small business owners with its compact, functional design, while the double cab transforms the Tacoma into a versatile family vehicle capable of comfortably accommodating passengers and gear. Bed length options ranging from 5 to 6 feet further enhance this adaptability, allowing drivers to choose a configuration that precisely matches their lifestyle, whether navigating urban environments or tackling outdoor expeditions. The Tacoma's versatility extends beyond physical configurations, embodying a holistic approach to modern truck ownership. Advanced technological integration, configurable drive modes, and hybrid powertrain options enable the truck to adapt to diverse demands. from heavy-duty work tasks to weekend adventures and daily commuting. Payload capacities spanning 1,100 to 1,685 pounds across different models ensure that each variant can be tailored to specific professional or recreational requirements. This strategic design philosophy challenges traditional truck market segmentation, creating a vehicle that speaks to a broader, more dynamic consumer base. By blending performance, efficiency, and adaptability, the 2026 Toyota Tacoma transcends the conventional boundaries of truck ownership, offering a single vehicle that can genuinely grow and evolve with its owner's changing needs and aspirations. Off-road configurations. The 2026 Tacoma truly shines in its off-road configurations. The Pre-Runner offers an accessible entry point to off-road capability, featuring a front suspension lift, locking rear differential, and comprehensive underbody protection. It serves as an ideal platform for enthusiasts seeking moderate off-road performance without a substantial financial investment. The TRD off-road model elevates capability with four-wheel drive, specialized all-terrain tires, and Bilstein remote reservoir dampers. These components transform the truck into a highly capable trail performer, equally comfortable navigating mountain paths or desert landscapes. For ultimate off-road enthusiasts, the TRD Pro represents the pinnacle of Toyota's off-road engineering. Featuring 33-inch tires, strategically redesigned bumpers for improved approach and departure angles, and sophisticated Fox internal bypass dampers, this model is purpose-built for extreme terrain challenges. The Trailhunter variant specializes in rock crawling, equipped with Old Man Emu suspension, an ARB modular utility bar, dedicated rock rails, and comprehensive protective features. It represents a purpose-built solution for the most demanding off-road environments, interior design, and technology. Inside the cabin, Toyota strikes an elegant balance between cutting-edge technology and functional design. While many manufacturers have transitioned to fully digital interfaces, the Tacoma retains physical buttons and switches, prioritizing user-friendly interaction and tactile feedback. The infotainment system offers remarkable versatility, ranging from an 8-inch screen in base models to an expansive 14-inch display in higher trims. Advanced connectivity features include wireless smartphone integration, voice control systems, wireless charging, and comprehensive safety technologies. Safety remains paramount, with standard features including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and traffic sign recognition. Pricing. The base SR model and climbing to around $65,000 for range-topping off-road variants like the TRD Pro and Trailhunter. There's a Tacoma for various budgets and requirements. The 2026 Toyota Tacoma isn't just a truck, it's a testament to automotive engineering that seamlessly blends performance, efficiency, comfort, and capability. Whether you're a professional requiring a dependable work companion or an outdoor enthusiast seeking adventure, this truck promises to exceed expectations. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest automotive innovations.